Katie Jo, what are you doing? What are you doing? How come you're cross-eyed? You trying to see your tongue? Yeah? You trying to kiss your piggy friend? It's not very attractive. Katie Jo Strawberry. Katie Jo. Hi. Hi, Katie Jo. Hi. What are you cooking, Bo?
Food.
Bo, turn around.
Hi. You know, when you do it sideways like that, it's really, really hard for